Can you see infections or all tooth decay on an X-ray? Well, there are really two types of infections you're going to be able to see on an X-ray. One is a large cavity, which is an infection because it's caused by bacteria of a tooth, but yet hasn't got to the point where it's touching the nerve, causing more of the typical infections that people think about with the pus, bubbles, or pimples in your jaw, right? So yes, so we can see that tooth infection when it's really large in an X-ray. If it's smaller, medium, or smaller, we're probably not going to really see it. More typically, though, if that has gotten to the point where it's really bad, caused some pain, since it's been there for a long period of time, we're going to start seeing this black bubble around the roots of the tooth. And when we see that, that's definitely a start of an infection. Now, you may not have any pus yet. It could be of a cyst form. It could be forming. However, when we see that black little ball, or the ball starting to form, that is a sign of an infection. So yes, we can see it. That's one thing to look for in X-rays. If we do see it, we'll let you know. That way we can prevent any real extreme pain, prevent any prevention of eating, etc. We want to make sure you stay healthy. Any questions, let us know. Leave comments, talk to us, call the office. Anything we can do to help you, we're here for you.